The lady is going to start on the left side of the partner and behind him. You need to be more or less 2 steps away from him. As the music starts, you will start walking forward with natural everyday steps. Start with the right leg, go around the partner and 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. After walking around the partner, on the count of 5, 2, 3, the lady is taking a step to the left with the left leg. 5, 2, 3, connect your feet. On the 6 to 3, you will rotate in front of the partner. Start with the right leg. Right, left, right, left. End up facing the partner, standing on the left leg. As you have seen, while walking around the partner, you can interact with him by placing your hand on his chest, maybe on his neck. Just create a connection and interaction. Man is supposed to react to this, look at the partner and follow her with your gaze. You can shift your body weight from one leg to another following the lady, or even place your hand on top of her hand as she's passing you. You can leave this hand on your shoulder for a while, then lower the hand. You can shift the body weight onto the left leg as the lady is on your left side, then as she's rotating you will go back onto the right leg. Thanks to this you will end up facing each other. Lead your right hand with a big circular motion to the side and then place it on the partner's neck. So the lady's rotation is on 6 to 3, then 7 to 3 the man is placing the hand on the neck, 8 to 3 just stand in front of each other. You can lean to each other, touch with the foreheads, romantically be very close together.